Well, it's kind of really crazy, very windy. Batteries are charged, so the turbine's not turning. We have a frost warning for tonight. We've had 20, 25, 30 mile an hour winds almost all day. So the metal that I had, trying to get that all back down, I had to put the bucket of the tractor down on it. The wind was blowing it all over the place, up along the fence and everything else. So we got shade cloth, and we'll put it over all the tomato plants, and the wifey is putting straw in there around them. Hopefully this will be the last of this crazy weather. We don't lose anything. This is about the best it's going to get. Well, anyways, have a good evening.